Hi, it's Vicki Tetley from drproperties.ca. Thanks for joining us today. We are looking at a fabulous small community inside of ProCab in Cabarete. 10 units total, 8 condos, and 2 townhouses. Today it's all about the townhouses. We're going to show you the furnished one, but please know there's an unfurnished one available too. Come with me as we take a tour and explore the furnished one. You come through the front door and you enter a living space, very spacious, furnished nicely, very decorative. You have a large kitchen with a large island. As an aside, when they were building this, the island was movable, but it kept cracking the floor tiles, so they had to make it stationary. But the kitchen's very spacious, comes with all the appliances and everything included. Gives you ample room for dining room space and also has a full bath off the living room, dining room. From here, we're going to go up the stairs, floating set of stairs, to 3 bedrooms on the upper level. Come to a spacious landing. All 3 bedrooms are good-sized bedrooms. They're fully furnished. This is the primary bedroom. Again, you have a balcony off this bedroom too. Lots of space. You have kind of a walk-through closet here as well. On the walls you can see there's no AC units yet. Those AC units will be included in the price of the sale. They'll be installed when it is sold. Closet space, plenty of room to hang your clothes, drawers, shelves, and then another spacious bathroom containing shower, toilet, sink, ample floor room. The townhouse has 2 additional bedrooms. This is bedroom 2. Again, ample space in here. It is decorated very nice. All the rooms are nice and bright. Lots of natural light coming through the windows. The 2 guest rooms actually share a full bath as well. Again, all the amenities of home. Bedroom number 3, again, guest room. Lovely light that comes into it. It's furnished very well. Great place for your guests to chill and relax and have a sleep while they're here exploring and having fun in the Dominican Republic. In closing, I wanted to recap. So these townhouses, 3 bedroom, 3 full baths. The furnished version is $329,000. There are 218 square meters of construction. They were built in this year, 2025. Fees in the complex are $250. Comes furnished and unfurnished. Please ask us if you have questions.